I have a intertherm ultraflex model nub. Feh-015ha central elect.furnace. I replaced the thermostat and I have checked the wiring, all is good. Are running all the time even if I have to switch off.
Hello, does this look like what you have? http://www.mobilehomerepair.com/media/nordine/901698.pdf. Locate the fat brown or white thermostat cable that runs from the thermostat to the furnace. Then locate the red wire. http://screencast.com/t/ZSDNMDTF5. Let me know if the furnace shuts down or not. We can go from there.
This is actually just a heating unit only for a mobile home. Just another shot. This is the front plate, should give you more detail.
http://screencast.com/t/Q7EFN0D1MZP. And I need you to find where the thermostat wires terminate on the terminal strip, as shown here below, and remove the red wire. If doing that sort of thing is not in your skill set range, tell me which direction you are from the center of the nearest city and I will locate a qualified HVAC tech for you. http://screencast.com/t/ZSDNMDTF5.
This is wiring diagram. More. Part 2. I believe you're talking about this red wire. This is at that transformer. I have already pulled it. I can put it back if necessary.
Tell me if the furnace keeps running, either the heaters or the blower, when you pull the red wire from the transformer, please. We can go from there.
Blower is running. Thermostat control is on the off position. Felt the air. It seemed luke/slight warm, not hot air per norm.
Thanks. If it's not heating the house, the fan relay contacts are fused closed. http://screencast.com/t/bckjubvn.
The notes.here. But like I said, the unit runs even with the thermostat control on the off position. As soon as I turn the breaker on, it automatically comes on.
If the relay contacts are fused together, you could remove the thermostat and 24-volt transformer and run over them with your car. And the blower would keep running. Thanks for the photo. I will need a while to study it.
Lol. Smile, take your time. I have to head to work. Please continue with further information. Good afternoon. Just doing a follow-up with you.
Hello again. Thanks for the day and a half off. It's a first in 2 years. I needed it. http://screencast.com/t/niche8skxlsc8. Let me know how that works. We can go from there.
It's in auto. You are welcome on the day off, lol. I work 7 days a week /on call.
Hello again. There is a relay or fan control sensor somewhere in that system, with its contacts in series with the fan motor, and those contacts are fused closed, called burnt contacts. http://screencast.com/t/bckjubvn. And the only such control shown on that diagram is circled on the upper left of the drawing. See if you can find it, and then take all the names and numbers from it and post it here.
I believe this is it. Part number 620,520. I mean.
http://screencast.com/t/scan0 regarding the two limit switches you show in the photos, neither of these are for the fan unless one of the wires from those goes directly to the fan motor.
I will send you a series of pictures wiring coming from the blower to the system itself. More on the wiring.
http://screencast.com/TRT8QCA1D7. You can get the parts from http://www.furnacepartsorus.com. They will need the furnace brand and model number and the numbers from each of the two devices.
Thanks for your help. Parts on the way. Smile.
Good work.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.